New Mexico Cancer Center and Health Specialist of New Mexico are the proud sponsor of Health and Wellness on New Mexico Living.
I'm Keith Powell, and I'm a patient of the New Mexico Cancer Center. I've been here in Albuquerque for 27 years from Southern California, and this is now home. So on a regular checkup with my dermatologist, they determined that there was some cancer cells in the nose area, and they did a biopsy and it came back that it was cancer cells. So they recommended a Mohs surgery, which is where they cut and take out that particular area, the inflamed area. And I don't do well with a paper cut. So the idea of someone doing surgery on my nose was not a great option. I'm also in business and real estate, and my face is kind of my brand. I'm out there in public a lot. So I didn't know if you'd have to have plastic surgery afterwards or there'd be some scarring and those kind of things. So a friend of mine had it done, and it was done at the cancer center using this technology of radiation. So I checked into that further and had the consultation and decided that that was the way to go. The process was virtually painless, really no pain or discomfort during the procedure at all. The first one I went to, I was a bit nervous, and I was trying to make the technicians laugh a little bit because, and the oncologist, they said, we're going to draw on my face, and I said, I hope you're a good artist. But they did do some drawing there just to isolate the area and show what they were looking at, and the procedure itself was very, very simple. Now, on the second visit, I actually had 8 treatments over a period of 4 weeks, so twice a week. The actual hardest part was just scheduling myself off to be available those twice a week time periods over the 4 weeks. So in that process, the second time that I went, I asked if I could have earbuds in to listen to some music. And that turned out to be the actual best part of it, because once they prepped me and I laid in a certain position, and you have to stay that way for about 5 minutes, it was basically a song and a half. And I actually like Andrea Bocelli, so it was a song and a half, and I knew that it was done. So it was a very quick and easy process. No discomfort, a little bit of pressure because of the way that the equipment sits in that area on your nose, but other than that, it was a very, very simple procedure. The follow-up to that, each one of those sessions were fine. About 4 or 5 in, I did get some redness there, looked like a bit of a sunburn to start. A little bit itchy, but they gave some cream for that, and there wasn't any other particular side effect. I noticed a little bit of fatigue after about 4 or 5, but I wasn't sure whether that was just the procedure or the heat that we're having currently in Albuquerque, so I kind of pushed through that. But other than that, I would highly recommend it. The 7th and 8th, it did get a little worse. In fact, I was out at a meeting one day and someone said, so you've been out in the sun, did you go to the beach? Because you got quite a little sunburn there on your nose. And really that was the extent of it. It blistered just a little bit, 2 different types of cream to put on there. And other than that, I haven't had any discomfort at all. A very easy and smooth procedure, and hopefully did the trick.